Bicycle aisle have something for everyone, and it deserves its own video. And so I'm going on a tour of the bicycle aisle so you can see whether you want it already installed, and we'll just deliver it already, set up and installed. Yes, we will. We will ship the already installed bicycle for you. All right? Or if you want it in a box, we can do it that way as well. Place your order at Walmart. We'll come. We'll do the pickup, and we'll ship it. We'll get it through customs. We'll clear it. Now tell me, I can remember being a kid growing up in Jamaica. It would just make my world if somebody would ship me one of these bicycles for Christmas. What about that niece or nephew that you have? Well, you got the fancy Benz. That niece or nephew that you have that would really, really appreciate getting a bike for Christmas. We could do it. It's very simple. We've done it. We've done it lots of time. We've had plenty of delivery videos delivering just bundles of loves and hugs. And if you want us to put on a Santa Claus hat, we'll put it on too. While delivering the bike for Christmas. I'm making so much noise in Walmart. I'm happy. I'm excited. I'm excited about, all the things in the Christmas aisle, all the presents, all the decorations. I'm feeling very, very festive and very, very overwhelmed with joy. Can't even find the words. And I'm not a guy that's at a loss for words quite often. So, a bike would make an excellent Christmas gift as well.